Good thing I don't have kids in this school district, otherwise I'd be mad about it. Red light run, red light run. I think I'm cracking up. They keep on running red lights. Am I just paranoid or are they just dumb?
His heart condition. Only his secretary knows about his failing health. During bad attacks, she gives him oxygen.
Red light run.
Behind the filing cabinet in his office.
Even talk about this topic because I can't hear it from you and you can't hear it from me. So my approach is very much.
Really? What the hell are you doing? Nissan driver!
Whatever it is.
I'm doing for the Olympics. It's like I'm getting the fuck out of LA. I'm not going to get out of LA. I'm just not going to go anywhere for 2 weeks. I'm just going to stay in my house.
Red light run.
You know, I'm just going to get enough.
Red light run.
I don't know. I'm just like so much more confident in like do that now. Like whenever we own a house someday, if we ever do, like if something breaks in the house, the first thing I'm
red light run, red light run, red light run.
Every Sunday, I repent of my sins and asking Jesus back into my heart because he probably.
No, turn on red, Nissan driver. No, turn on red, Mazda driver. You're awful. Well, at least we got one Nissan driver that can follow the rules. I guess we're all not all that bad. Red light run.
Blaming them in all these things, I want them to know that the outside world sometimes.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
Supported.
Dream starts tonight, all night. Stage fright. No stop! Nissan driver! Really, you're gonna be that much of a dick? I was gonna let you guys over.
Deals, and I didn't have to go over product, I'm sure you did. But the guys who were taking a few million less than superstars or role-playing guys.
Exit dive.
It adds up to a superstar in a couple years in this captain.
Red light run. Right turn regret. You can go now. You can go. There you go. Good job.
A little bit about maybe why they would be thinking that, and why, if you're a Democrat, if you're a Republican.
Red light run. Red light run. Red. No stop, Nissan drivers.
Well, probably that, but also he's got the leverage now. He's got all the leverage in the world. He's one of the better goalies in the game right now. He's a huge reason with Hallmark that team.
Pushing Jari helps the Penguins. I've always been a proponent of competition, but I think Jim Montgomery's...
Exit regret. And it says to stay in lane too, according to that one sign there. Nope. Nope. Screwbaro.
It's still fucking democracy here that you can do it because the laws are crazy. You know, something different from the Senate.
Exit dive. Exit dive. Exit dive. No stop. Stop. might as well stop. Red light run. You didn't stop there. Red light run by the frickin' school bus. Good thing I don't have kids in this school district, otherwise I'd be mad about it. Pedestrian. I wish that there was a frickin' crosswalk around here where you can properly use and not just have to cross in front of people, you know? Yeah, I wish that they would have more crosswalks. It sucks that there's like no crosswalks anywhere near here. Really? No stop. Really?
Rent them there fairly and rent it for a fair price. I don't think there's anything wrong with providing that fucking service.
It's red. It's red, Elon. What are you doing?
Most renters treat the property like shit.
Jeez.
That is true. Most renters do treat property like shit. Most people rent.
I think it's a fair deal because the more I think about it, he could beat out Hallmark when he plays, you know, 10 more games for Hallmark and gotten rid of them after Swayman was locked up. And I think that's what most GMs
No stop.
Is yeah, we're gonna get less for him. He's gonna go somewhere we don't want him to go. Conspiracy theories.
End of the world type stuff, the Illuminati, the deep states, they're coming for your children, they're drinking the blood of babies and those types of things. It all ties into the culture, so as you escaped, you weren't necessarily a worshiper of Donald Trump.
Whoa, what the fuck?
More of a transaction.
Seriously, Minnesota.
He's the object.
Well, we're gonna turn left here, don't you know? Yeah. We're gonna turn.
She and Sauerberg are on the same page with her first initiatives for both. Ostrov pulls her BlackBerry out of her handbag and turns to her boss.
Red light run. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we're on I-90 outside of Victor and Canandaigua. You can't really be there. There are signs everywhere that say you can't have trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. Oh, well, sucks to be you. You get to be in the video now. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!